What's up everyone, this is Anjani, and if you're seeing this face for the first time, then please consider subscribing to my channel and also click on the bell sign so that you can be notified for more future videos. So today's video is going to be about this makeup look which you're seeing on my face right now, and this is a very versatile makeup look. You can also carry it in the daytime as well as at the night time just by switching it off with the lip shades. So if you want to see how I created this makeup look, then please keep on watching, and without any blabbering, let's begin with the video. Okay, so first I'm going to be starting off with the skin prep, and for that I'm going to be using this Nykaa's Skin Potion Dull and Dry Skin Facial Oil, and I will be taking 3 drops of it and I will be directly applying it onto my face and massage it very well. I use this every single night, and this has given me very good results, and my skin feels so soft after using this. And this is also great for underneath the makeup. It makes the makeup application very smooth and nice. After that I'm going to be applying my face cream that is from the brand called Venusia, and I will be applying it on my face, and I have been using this since last 2 years. This was something which was recommended to me by my skin specialist, and I'm going to be taking some, warming it up and applying it on my face. Okay, so first I'm starting off with priming my face, and for that I'm gonna be applying LA Girls Pro Primer. And guys, it's a great primer. It helps to hide all your pores and even out your skin. And for the foundation, I'm going to be using my favorite foundation, that is Maybelline's Fit Me foundation. Now because it's a day or a night look, I'm not gonna go for a full coverage foundation. The shades of all the products which I have used will be mentioned in the description box, so guys, you can go ahead and check that out. Now using this pack brush, I'm gonna be blending out all my foundations properly. Then it's time for some concealing, and for that I'm gonna be using L'Oreal True Match Concealer, and using the same foundation brush I will blend out the concealer as well. As you guys can see, I'm completely enjoying doing makeup, and yes, I'm crazy about it. It makes me so happy. Now for setting my concealer, I'm using the Maybelline's V Duo powder, and using this light shade I'm going to be setting off my concealer. And to set the rest of my face, I'm going to be using L'Oreal True Match Compact. And now bringing back some color to our face, I'm going to be using Faces Canada's blusher, and I just love this blusher shade, guys. It goes very well with all the makeup looks and all skin tones. Some light on our face which can highlight, and yeah, for that I'm again going to be using Faces Ultimate highlighter. And then to set everything in place, I'm going to be using NYX matte finish setting spray. And yes guys, with that we have completed our base makeup. Now let's move on with the eyes. Now we are going to keep the eyes very simple. You just need 2 shades for it. I'm going to take this light brown shade as my transition shade from my palette, and then taking this dark brown shade, I'm applying it all over my lids and taking it up to the crease line. Now it's time for some brows, and for that, as you guys know, I'm going to be using my NYX brow pencil. And then I'm taking the golden shade and I'm going to highlight my brow bone and my inner corners. This is a very versatile look guys, you must try this look. Now for the waterline, I'm using white kajal and applying it on my waterline. Then I'm taking the dark brown shade again and blending it out on my lower lash line. This will balance out the upper and the lower lash line. And yes, that's it for the eye shade. Now I'm going to apply lots and lots of mascara, and for that I'm going to be using Color Essence mascara. Now for my lips, I'm using the Kay Beauty lip liner and I'm lining my lips. This lip liner is gorgeous guys. You can also use this as your lipstick and you don't even need to apply the lipstick, another different lipstick on this. And the color is also so good, it lasts so long. For the lipstick, I'm going to be using one of my favorite lipsticks from Faces Ultime. This is a brownish kind of a shade, nudish brownish shade, which complements the eye look. With that, we have got this amazing gorgeous makeup look, which is just perfect for day as well as night. You can switch it off with the lip shades as you want. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.